Welcome to the channel. 1. Go to VPC Virtual Private Cloud. Now click on Create VPC. We'll use Amazon Virtual Private Cloud to create your own VPC and add additional components to produce a customized network. After completing this lab, you should be able to create a VPC, create subnets, configure a security group, launch an EC2 instance into a virtual private cloud. Now click on Create VPC. VPC created. Now click on Subnets. Click Create Subnet. Click Create Subnet. Subnet created. Again, click on Create Subnet. Click Create Subnet. Subnet created. Now click on Route Tables on left pane. Refresh once this content doesn't show up. Click Subnet Associations. Click Save Associations. Go to Security Groups. Click Create Security Group. Click Create Security Group. Security Group created. Search for EC2 Instance. Click Launch Instance. Click Advanced Details. Launch Instance. Click Instances. Copy public IPv for DNS. Open a new browser. Paste public IPv for DNS on a new browser. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share for more such informative content.